Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Check your Android version and unlock the phone so settings apply correctly. Once done, make sure lock screen notifications are allowed. Otherwise, you'll miss banners. Now open Settings and tap Notifications to enter notification controls. You're doing this because Android groups delivery and visual style separately, so changing style here affects heads-up, sound, and visual layout. Move deliberately. Each option changes how urgently and where notifications appear. You now pick the app whose notification style you want to change, because most modern apps expose channels that control type-specific behavior. Tap an app, then a channel change importance to set heads-up versus silent delivery, choose a specific sound, and toggle vibration for tactile cues. Once done, adjust visual options like pop-ups or lock screen visibility to match your workflow. Make sure to set Do Not Disturb exemptions for critical contacts, so important alerts always come through. Finish by reviewing system-level styles. Set the default notification sound, enable or disable notification dots, and adjust conversation priorities so people, not apps, get precedence. Then test your changes with a sample alert or message to confirm sounds, banners, and vibration behave as expected. If something fails, restart the phone first. If that doesn't fix it, clear the app cache or reset notifications for the app. One key troubleshooting tip: check battery optimization. Some aggressive modes block notifications entirely.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.